A mixture containing 1.12 liters of D2 and 2.24 liters of H2 at STP is taken inside the bulb connected to another bulb through a stopcock with a small opening. The second bulb is fully evacuated and the stopcock is opened for a certain time and then it is closed. The first bulb is now found to contain 0.1 grams of D2. So calculate the concentration in terms of percentage by mass of the gases in the second bulb. So these are the options students. ये सवाल सिंगल ऑप्शन करेक्ट कैटेगरी का है एंड इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन नंबर ए. So let us see the solution for this question. So students, we have to focus more on the understanding of this type of questions. Okay, so in this question we are given with the bulbs. Let this be bulb 1 and bulb 2. So before diffusion, that is initially, this stopcock is closed. So this bulb 1, it contains 1.12 liters of D2 and 2.24 liters of H2. Correct. Now this stopcock is opened for the some time, and then after diffusion, it has found out that in first bulb the amount of D2 left is 0.1 grams, right? So we are asked to find out the percentage of H2 and D2 in second bulb. The strategy for this type of question is, देखो, this type of questions are based on the Gram's law of diffusion and the effusion. So these two are the gases. So their volume is given at STP. So we will convert this volume into moles, and then by multiplying moles by molar mass, we get the mass of D2, and from this we will get the mass of H2 in the first bulb. Now we are given with the mass of D2 left in the first bulb. So from this, by subtracting this two, we can get the mass of D2 in bulb 2. Okay, so by comparing the rates of diffusion, we can get the mass of H2 left, and from that we can get the mass of H2 in the bulb 2. So from this we can get the percentage of H2 and D2. This is how we solve this type of questions. So as the number of moles of D2 and H2 are different, their pressure will be also different, because we know that partial pressure of the gas is directly proportional to the number of moles. Let's see the solution for this question. So in given data, they are given as in bulb 1, volume of D2 is 1.12 liters. So as this volume is at STP, the number of moles of D2 will be equal to 1.12 upon 22.4. So this liters and this liter gets cancelled, and we get this as the number of moles of D2. Okay, so mass of D2 will be equal to number of moles of D2 into molar mass of D2. So molar mass of D2 is 4 gram per mole. So ye mole or ye per mole cancel, we get this as the answer. So this is the mass of D2 in the bulb 1. Okay. Similarly, volume of H2 is 2.24 liters in bulb 1. So number of moles will be 0.1 mole, and mass of H2 will be 0.1 into 2, that is 0.2 grams. So after dissociation, mass of D2 in the first bulb is 0.1 gram. So mass of D2 in the bulb 2 will be this mass of D2 in bulb 1 minus mass of D2 left in bulb 1. That is 0.2 minus 0.1 will become 0.1 gram. This is the mass of D2 diffused. Okay. So we know that the partial pressure of the gas is directly proportional to the number of moles of that gas. Therefore, we get partial pressure of D2 by partial pressure of H2 will be equal to number of moles of D2 upon number of moles of H2. So from this we get that the partial pressure of D2 by partial pressure of H2 will be 1 by 2. So according to the Gram's law of diffusion, let R be the rate of diffusion. Rate of diffusion of D2 upon rate of diffusion of H2 is equal to root of molecular mass of H2 by molecular mass of D2 into partial pressure of D2 by partial pressure of H2. So we know that the rate of diffusion is number of moles of that gas diffused per time. So we get this number of moles of D2 upon time, and ये जो कि डिनोमिनेटर में तो उल्टा हो जाएगा, तो टाइम अपॉन नंबर ऑफ मोल्स ऑफ H2, जो कि डिफ्यूजन हम लोग सेम टाइम के लिए कर रहे हैं, इसके लिए दिस T and this T will get cancelled. So number of moles of D2 can be written as mass of D2 by molar mass of D2, right? Similarly, number of moles of H2 can be written as mass of H2 by molar mass of H2, right? So this can be rearranged here. So we get this. So इसको अगर स्क्वायर रूट के अंदर लेंगे, then we get this as the answer. Okay, so by putting the values, we get the mass of H2 as 0.14 grams. Okay, so this is the mass of H2 lost. That means mass of H2 in bulb 2. So therefore percentage of D2 in bulb 2 will be mass of D2 upon total mass. So we get this 41.66. Therefore percentage of H2 will be 58.33%. So that is why option number A is the correct answer. That's it. Thank you very much student for listening. ऐसे बेहतरीन वीडियोस के अपडेट्स पाने के लिए आप YouTube पे हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर सकते हैं. If you like our efforts, then please like the video, share it with your friends and subscribe to our channel. मिलते हैं अगली वीडियो में.